Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to edit a blog post in Hostinger Website Builder. This is my website in Hostinger Website Builder, and this is my blog post. As you see, 5 proven ways to make your website look more professional even on a budget. This is the first photo, and this is the rest of the blog post. Now, how to edit this blog post is simple. Just log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites, and next to your website built using Hostinger Website Builder, click on this edit website button. This is the same website. To make sure, let's the home page. This is the same website. Now to edit this blog post or any blog post on this website, just go to this blog icon, click on it. Here you will see all the blog posts even duplicated. You can jump to the post settings, or you can unpublish it from here, or even delete it. Now, if you click on the blog post, it was already selected. So I will, to show you the difference, when you click on the blog icon and click on the blog post title, you will directly jump to the blog posts. Here you can do the same thing. For example, if you click on post settings from the top, you will see this window pops up. Here you can edit the blog post title. You can edit the blog post description. This is the post description. In order to see it, it is placed below the blog post title. You can even edit the blog post URL or link from here. You can add an author. For example, let's add Ben. Click on save, and you will see the blog post author here. You can even edit the blog post date. Let's select 4th of July, click on save. Now this is the new date. And you can schedule this post to be published in the next days or months. I will enable the scheduling post. Now, when you jump to the featured image tab, you can edit this photo that is shown here, this photo below or above your title. You can even add categories to organize your blog on Hostinger Website Builder. Let's add, for example, let's call this website. Check, added, click on save. Now let's preview it. Now this is the new blog post category. Go back to the editor. That was all for the post settings. Now let's jump to the status of your blog post. Here you can change or edit the blog post status from draft to public. Now, if the status is in draft and you update your website, your blog post will be hidden from this page. When you turn the status to public and edit and update your website, now your blog post is published. Now let's see how to edit your blog post header or this part. Just select it like that, click on edit blog header. Here you can edit the text size, the visibility of your description of your different elements like description. You can hide it. You can also hide or show the post categories, the author name, the publishing date, or the reading date. You can use a light text color or a dark one. This depends on the background of this post header. For example, if I pick a dark color here, it is better to go with a light text color like that. Now let's undo this action. Now after the style section or tab, you can jump to the layout tab. Here you can edit the alignment. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. You can jump to the layout tab. Here you can edit the alignment of the blog post header content, and you can also edit the top and the bottom padding. From the background tab, you can select between color, image, or video for this section background. Here you can use another video like this. For the photo, you can add an image using from your computer by clicking this upload files button or using free images. Let's use this photo for example, add to page. Here you can add a little bit of overlay opacity. This is useful if your text color here is light. It is better to add a little bit of overlay opacity. Here you can go with a fixed background. For the position of this image, you can pick showing the top of your photo like that, the middle, or the bottom. In my case, I will keep it as simple white color. That's all for the post or the blog post header. You can also change the post title, jump directly to the post title or editing the post title from here. And you can also hide or show this section depending on the device or your website visitor device. You can hide it for mobile and you can hide it for desktop. Here in this blog post section, you can delete the elements like that. You can add new ones from here. You can add a text element. You can add a button. You can add, for example, a photo like that. You can even add a video, and then fill in your YouTube link here or Vimeo link here. You can to undo any action, just click on this icon and you will return to the first state. Here to edit this text, just double click it. You can make this selected part bold, italic, underline it, strike through, or even add a link. Select web address and fill in your external link, or you can link to your internal pages. Select them from this list. You can edit the alignment of your text from here. Now to add a video, for example, between your paragraphs, just click on add element, then select this image element and then place it below your text section, and then add a new text section like that, and keep writing your blog post. Now double click this text and here select paragraph 1 and keep writing. Now in order to publish it, click on this update website button. In order to not lose your work from time to time, it is better to hit this save button to save your work without publishing it online. That's all for how to edit a blog post in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.